everyone, Kush Spontaneous here. I'll be opening this from Lee Company. Sriracha mayo, sriracha chili sauce. Hi everyone, we'll be doing the taste test. So let's try. This is sriracha chili sauce. Yep. Sriracha mayo. For the feedback, what do you like most about sriracha chili sauce muna?
Masarap sa mga mahihilig manghang. Perfect siya dun.
Sa akin, for sriracha chili sauce, so flavorful siya, at saka balance yung spiciness. Perfect talaga sa mga spicy lovers. Next, what do you like the most with sriracha mayo?
Sriracha mayo, masarap siya. Creamy.
Sa akin, rich yung taste niya, at saka may hint ng spice.